Hi guys, welcome back. Mariah here again, the fabricator for the Party Thieves. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to tie your two balloons together. So, I have one in each hand, which is why I said I like to blow up two together in our other video. And what we're going to do is we're going to cross them. We're going to take one end, we're going to cross it over just like so. And then at the top, can you see that? We're gonna just tie just a regular old knot. Boom. And make sure you pull it super, super tight. You wanna have all this extra balloon on the end. It's gonna come in handy later on in the process. So boom, that's how you get your two balloons tied together, and it makes what I like to call a balloon dumbbell.